You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What is the table bag? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hinnex. Let's think about innovation. What do you take away from a takeaway at a fast food store? You take away a bag. You take away the contents of your order, the desires for your quick lunch or snack. How about if this bag would also work as a table, therefore the name table bag? And that's exactly what McDonald created the other day. A table bag, which is a fusion of fancy design, sustainability, as well as a once-in-a-lifetime consumer experience. Well, if it's long enough for the purchases and long enough to be sold, then maybe it's not a once-in-a-lifetime experience. But definitely, it is a goal setter. This limited edition, which is out in the market, is a packing solution which was launched at the Milan Design Week, turned into some kind of interesting infrastructure. Imagine you're taking a bag of fast food, you go out to the park and you put your blanket on the lawn and open your bag table or your table bag. And voila, here it is, a little table where you can just use this table without a tablecloth to indulge your lunch. This innovation talks about packaging is no longer dull. Packaging is not just the good old bag, it's more. And innovation in the packing industry combines always aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. A simple takeaway box is now addressed into something fancy. Would you go to McDonald's and try to buy it at least one time? Maybe. And that's exactly the trick. Innovation drives purchases, drives revenue. For global business, packaging innovation is one of those key components. Think about the industry where parfum is put into different flacons, which at the end means you don't really buy the content, the nice smell, you also buy the package because the package speaks to you. So packaging is the new touch point for your brand, no pun intended. Are there legal challenges? Well, maybe there is. Maybe a different amount of recyclable material is used in this method. So therefore, composting may not be as easy as if it were a paper. Or think about the innovation of trademarks. Think about the innovation where somebody has a patent on that. All of this needs to be put into consideration, that this patent for this box is available in the country where you are using it. So this table bag is patented, I presume. I haven't checked it. And therefore, competitors would have a trouble in copying it. And maybe that's exactly what it is. As long as the patent runs, nobody can copy it. But is this idea limited to this table bag? How about if somebody uses a different design, a different technique, a different way of doing it? Maybe it is no longer patentable, or maybe it could be patented and there goes the competition. So I see right now packaging as a strategic tool, a tool to grow, because right now McDonald's is talked about for a fantastic innovation. If you're running your company, you may want to think about what kind of packaging innovations do you want to do? How can you set yourself aside from competition when you create a different packaging? How are you competitive? And as you expand globally, it also should keep in mind that one cool, neat, very unique packaging idea in one part of the world may not work in the other part of the world. What packaging innovation do you have? Please share. I'm curious to learn.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law. Business-minded, client-focused.